Hey guys, it's your friendly neighborhood vampire witch Magic here. As you can see, the topic today is how understanding the female body benefits everyone. I wanted to make this video because I've noticed that a lot of people were never really taught how the female body works. Not in school, not at home, not even through healthcare. And when people don't understand something, it is really easy for myths, shame, and misunderstandings to take its place. This lack of understanding leads to poor healthcare, strained relationships, harmful stereotypes, and bad policy decisions. When we understand how all bodies, work, it empowers us to treat ourselves and others with more respect, empathy, and care. I am not here to call anyone out or make anyone feel bad. I just think we could all benefit from clearing things up. This isn't just about biology. It's about communication, compassion, and creating a world where people aren't shamed for having normal bodies. So, what if understanding the female body wasn't just women's business, but something that actually made life better for everyone? Historically, female anatomy has been overlooked, ignored, or even deliberately erased in education, medicine, and media. For a long time, people viewed anything related to the female body, periods, pregnancy, menopause, pleasure, as either taboo, private, or only relevant to reproduction. Because of this, it often wasn't talked about, taught properly, or shown accurately. In school, health classes would sometimes skip over female anatomy altogether, or reduce it to this is where babies come from. In media, women's bodies have been sexualized but rarely accurately represented. And in medicine, women were excluded from studies for decades, which meant doctors often didn't even understand how things like pain or disease show up differently in female bodies. All this silence creates gaps, and where there are gaps, myths, shame, and misinformation grow. Things like thinking periods are dirty or gross, believing certain body parts should look a specific way, ignoring signs of serious health issues because we have been taught they are normal or just hormones. And this doesn't just harm women, it leads to men not understanding the people in their lives. It leads to awkwardness, fear, and even harmful behavior in relationships, workplaces, and healthcare. It keeps everyone stuck in confusion instead of compassion. As you can see, when we overlook this knowledge, everyone loses. So, how does this knowledge help women? When women understand their own bodies, it changes everything. It reduces shame and insecurity. So many women grow up feeling embarrassed or ashamed of things that are completely normal, like periods, discharge, body hair, or how their anatomy looks. That shame doesn't come from our bodies, it comes from silence, misinformation, and unrealistic expectations. When women actually learn how their bodies work, they realize there's nothing to be ashamed of. It is normal, it is human, and it deserves respect. It promotes body literacy. Body literacy is just a fancy way of saying, I know how my body works and I can recognize when something is wrong. Understanding cycles, anatomy, and bodily functions helps women recognize signs of health issues, advocate for themselves with doctors, make informed decisions about their health and well being. It leads to better medical care and advocacy. When you know your body, you are less likely to accept being dismissed by a doctor or told, it's just in your head. You can ask better questions, push for answers, and make sure you are being heard. And that is a big deal, especially in a medical system that still often overlooks or minimizes women's pain. It empowers women to set and communicate boundaries. Understanding your body helps you understand your boundaries. What feels good, what doesn't, what is healthy, and what is harmful. It makes it easier to say, no, this doesn't feel right for me. This is what I need. This is what I want. Clear communication is powerful. It helps women protect their mental, emotional, and physical well being. It protects against coercion, manipulation, and poor health outcomes. When women don't understand their bodies, they are more vulnerable to being lied to, manipulated, or coerced. Whether it is a partner, a friend, a doctor, or society at large, ignorance makes it easier for others to control or harm you. Knowledge creates power. It helps women recognize red flags, stand their ground, and make choices that protect their health and happiness. And while this clearly benefits women, here's the thing, it's not just women who benefit from understanding the female body. Men benefit too, because when men don't understand how female bodies work, it leads to a lot of unnecessary confusion, frustration, and honestly, harm. Misunderstanding about things like periods, hormones, pleasure, and boundaries can create a strain in relationships, fuel stereotypes, and even contribute to bigger societal issues like misogyny and violence. But when men do understand, it leads to better communication, stronger relationships, and more respect, not just for the women in their lives, but for themselves too. So, how does understanding the female body help men? It improves relationships, whether it is a partner, a friend, a sister, or even a coworker. Understanding the female body helps men show up with more care and compassion. It removes a lot of the confusion and awkwardness that can happen when you just don't know what someone else is experiencing. When men understand things like cycles, hormones, anatomy, and boundaries, they communicate better. They listen better. They are more thoughtful and more connected, and that benefits every kind of relationship. It reduces harmful stereotypes. When men learn the facts, they are less likely to fall into stereotypes like women are crazy on their periods or women are so emotional, they can't be trusted to make decisions. Understanding the body helps dismantle these outdated sexist ideas and replaces them with empathy and respect. It helps men support women during health events, whether it is periods, pregnancy, menopause, or even something like chronic illness. Understanding what is happening allows men to show up with real support instead of confusion or frustration. It helps partners be more present, more helpful, and more understanding during times that can be physically and emotionally challenging. It prevents unintentional harm. Sometimes harm comes not from malice, but from ignorance. Not understanding things like consent, boundaries, pleasure, or how bodies work can lead to behavior that feels disrespectful, dismissive, or even violating, even if that wasn't the intent. Knowledge helps prevent that. It helps men recognize what is okay, what is not, and how to communicate clearly and respectfully. It encourages empathy, patience, and understanding. When you understand what someone else is going through, it is easier to have empathy. It is easier to be patient. When a partner says, I just need rest right now, or when a friend cancels plans because of cramps, or when a colleague needs time off for health reasons, understanding opens the door to compassion. It breaks cycles of ignorance passed down generationally. Most of us were raised by people who didn't fully understand the female body either, and they pass that lack of knowledge on. When men take the time to learn, they break that cycle. They create space for their sons, their daughters, partners, and friends to have healthier, more informed conversations. They become part of changing the culture for the better. So, if understanding the female body helps women and helps men, it really shouldn't be surprising that it helps everyone. Because this isn't just about individual relationships or personal knowledge. This is about the kind of world we create when people actually understand and respect how bodies work. When we normalize these conversations, when we teach people accurate information, and we treat female anatomy as just a normal part of life, not something shameful or mysterious, it creates ripple effects. It changes how we parent, how we educate, how we build workplaces, how we approach healthcare, and how we shape our communities. Let's look at how that plays out on a bigger scale. When we normalize understanding the female body, it's not just about personal growth, it's about changing the world we live in. It leads to better health outcomes and less strain on the systems. When people understand their bodies, they are more likely to recognize problems early, seek care sooner, and advocate for the treatment that they need. That means fewer misdiagnoses, fewer ER visits, and less long term damage, which ultimately eases the burden on healthcare systems. It's preventative care through education. It helps reduce gender based violence and misunderstanding. A huge part of violence stems from power, control, and ignorance. When we teach people, from a young age, about consent, boundaries, anatomy, and respect, we start dismantling the myths that fuel things like coercion, victim blaming, and entitlement over someone else's body. Knowledge doesn't just empower, it protects. It creates safer, more inclusive workplaces and schools. Understanding things like periods, reproductive health, and hormonal shifts shouldn't be seen as too personal or gross. They are real parts of everyday life. When we build systems that acknowledge and accommodate those realities, people can show up fully, without shame, without hiding, and without being penalized for something natural. That leads to better performance, better attendance, and more respectful environments for everyone. It encourages body diversity and acceptance. So many people grow up thinking their bodies are wrong, that they are too hairy, too irregular, too different, too much. But the truth is, bodies vary, anatomy varies, cycles vary. When we teach that variation is normal, we help people embrace their bodies instead of fighting them. That reduces body shame, mental health struggles, and even disordered eating, all of which take a toll on individuals and systems. It fosters healthier conversations around sex, consent, and relationships. When people understand anatomy, pleasure, and boundaries in communication, conversations about sex become less awkward, less shameful, and way more respectful. We move away from a fear based education or silence and toward real conversations that help people form relationships based on mutual care, trust, and understanding. What is one thing that you wish you had learned sooner about the female body? Feel free to discuss in the comments, and as always, thank you for watching. And if you found this helpful, please feel free to share it. Go out and spread the love because love always wins.